principal of Sri Manjunatha Swamy Vidya Niketan, having 23 years of experience, joined this institution in 2023. During this short span of time, I have seen the children develop both in academics as well as in co-curricular activities. In this school, we help grow and nurture the child's intellectual, physical, social, and emotional development. Stepping to discover the limitless ways we tap into child's potential to unleash the best in them. I would also like to add up that with all the changes happening and all the emerging trends in education, we are associated with Eduvate to go an extra mile to innovate, inspire, achieve and educate, and to know what the school offers to you. A visit to the school would complete it.
Joint Secretary of Sri Manjunatha Swamy Vidya Niketan. I take this pleasure to introduce our school. The sapling of Sri Manjunatha Swamy Vidya Niketan was planted in the year 1994 with a vision to create an institution where education is a delight for the children. It has come a long way since there and set an excellent example for blending of knowledge and skills. Our school has a dedicated team of sincere teaching faculty. They give undivided attention and care to each and every child apart from quality education. Trained and experienced teachers provide both theoretical and practical lessons for the students to help them to navigate a rapidly changing technology-driven world. The school is having eco-friendly atmosphere and sophisticated infrastructure, well-furnished laboratories, well-ducted computer lab and sports facilities and many more that are a must for a holistic development of the child.
Hello, I am Veena Ramesh Babu, working as an administrator in SMBN. Here we ensure we give quality education in an affordable fee structure.
Manjunatha Swamy Vidya Niketan was established in the year 1994 by Mr. Manjunatha Swamy, and the legacy is now carried over to Mr. Amrit Raj Gowda and Mrs. Chaitanya Raj. The institution strives for the overall development of the children The children here get exposed to a very challenging and a fascinating environment which they would be carrying through the rest of their lives. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾಂತರಾಜ್ ಸಿಆರ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು. 1993-94 ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಂತಹ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಇಂದಿನವರೆಗೂ ಅನುಪಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಗೈಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಶಾಲಾ ಶುಲ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಆಶಾ ಕಿರಣ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯೇ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಧ್ಯೇಯ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗ, ವಿಶಾಲವಾದಂಥ ಮೈದಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದಂಥ ಕಟ್ಟಡ, ಅನುಭವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತಹ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ಮತ್ತು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸದಾ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Hi everyone, hello. My name is Madhushree. My child name is Dakshit. He is studying in 2nd standard in Manjunatha School. Firstly, I'll talk about the school development. Before they were in the old building. Like when I make admission for my child, they were in the old building. And there was no playground. I was worried about whether my child will be happy here or not. Why? Because child he wants, along with the studies, he also wants to play. He also wants to play games. So their mind will be like they'll be happy to study here. So then the management were very friendly. I spoke with them about this, and they were like in the plan to shift the building. And then when they shifted to new building, there is lot of space here to play for the child. I'm happy now. My child is more happy than me. That every day he comes home and tell me that he was playing a new games here. And when it comes to education, I'm very happy. He's improving a lot yearly basis. Like last year, when I make an admission here, he was not good enough in the English, in the communication. Day by day, he's improving a lot in the communication. When it comes to education and books and the syllabus, everything, it was very good. And he's learning a lot every day. And teachers are very friendly. I'm happy with the teaching.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಮಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಮಧುಮಿತಾ, 2nd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ 2 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಒಂದು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಬಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟು, ನರ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ನಾನು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ.